Greetings of the day and welcome to the 13th edition of the Marian Times. I, Arena Nair.
And I, Anika Vishakarma, will be your anchors for the day.
It is good to be back after the summer break and the pre-term examination.
But, dear viewers, do not be mistaken. Mount St. Mary's is the place that never sleeps, and the knowledge never ceases to grow. Let's take a look at some of the events we'll be covering in today's episode.
With so much excitement heralding the start of the summer vacation, it was a bittersweet moment to see community leader Reverend Brother Rajesh Dirki leave MSM to take up office as principal of Mount St. Patrick's, Pune.
The last day before the summer holidays ended with a special assembly to bid Brother farewell.
The students and teachers expressed their gratitude to Brother for guiding them for the past 3 years. We wish him a wonderful and a happy tenure.
Education does not always have to be constricted to a classroom. On the 18th of May, 106 students of classes 8 to 12, accompanied by 12 staff members, set off to explore Corbett, Bhimtal and Nakuchiatal in Uttarakhand.
Educational excursions are crucial for enriching learning experiences beyond the classroom, fostering critical thinking, and promoting social and emotional growth.
They provide students with hands-on learning opportunities, enhance engagement with subjects, and offer a break from the traditional learning environment.
It was a wonderful opportunity for the students to let their hair down and enjoy some lighter moments with their teachers by building their social skills along the way.
Mahatma Gandhi said, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow, and learn as if you were to live forever." Here at MSM, the learning never stops. Over the summer holidays, the following activities were conducted.
Reading Day was celebrated by our tiny tots, the pre-primary students, on 19th June. The teachers through Zoom held meetings where children got to witness the joy of reading. The carefully chosen story taught the children the dangers of excessive sugar.
No wonder one gets to see sparkling smiles in the pre-primary block.
From stretching the mind to stretching the body, International Yoga Day was celebrated by our NCC cadets at 2 Delhi Artillery Battery, NCC Delhi, Safdarjung Enclave under the guidance of Mrs. Namrata Kapoor, yoga instructor.
Yoga offers numerous health benefits for students, contributing to both academic success and overall well-being. It enhances concentration, reduces stress and anxiety, improves physical fitness and flexibility, and promotes emotional balance.
On the 27th and 28th of June, Mr. Sanjay Ramakrishna and Miss Sally guided the teachers in exploring teaching learning practices with the new generation and changing the perspectives for more effective communication with Generation Alpha.
The second day helped teachers learn about emotional intelligence and mentor teachers understand leadership better.
1st July, the MSM campus was filled with happy faces reuniting with their friends after a long break. There was also a nervous vibe in the air as students were appearing for the first pre-term examination.
4th July, Class 1 had an artistic platter competition where they designed their very own paper platters with colorful fruits and vibrant vegetables.
On the 11th of July, Mount St. Mary's School organized the Senior School Award Ceremony for the academic year 2024-25. The event began with a prayer song and the traditional lighting of the lamp, setting a calm and peaceful tone for the event.
The chief guests were Sri C. Senthil Rajan, Joint Secretary, Ministry of I&B, and Sri Jayaprakash Chaturvedi, Director, Affiliation, CBSE. The theme for this momentous occasion was Unwavering Vision.
The students who worked hard throughout the entire school year and persevered through to come out with flying colors were awarded trophies, which would not only be a reminder of their accomplishments but also a motivation to keep working hard.
This was their moment to shine and stand proud. The ceremony also had performances by the Western Music Choir, Western Dance Team, Indian classical dancers, and the Theatre Club, celebrating the essence of body, mind, and soul, partnering with peace.
On Tuesday, 15 July, the tiny tots of nursery, LKG, and UKG participated in their first competition, the Blooming Talent of MSM.
Children showcased their talents through music, dance, and more. Dressed in colorful costumes, they looked vibrant and confident on stage.
From expressive performances to cheerful acts, each child was unique. It was a joyous celebration of creativity and confidence, making it a memorable day for all.
16th of July, the students of classes 3 to 12 had the opportunity to get a glimpse into the flora and fauna present on the school campus. The biodiversity mapping workshop, conducted by Ms. Divita Jain, helped students appreciate and look out for the wonder in God's creation. The survey had begun in December of 2024, and soon we will have access to an album of all the creatures one can find here.
This was not the end of the nature appreciation. Inspired by the National Moth Week, members of Ecovita Foundation, namely Ms. Divita Jain, Mr. Alok Kumar, along with the middle school coordinator Ms. Monica Jain and a few school teachers, conducted an activity where students were able to see the multiple nocturnal insects under the night sky.
On the 18th of July, our school organized a magic show for the students of classes 1 to 5 in the school auditorium. The event was filled with fun, excitement, and surprise.
The magician, Mr. Rishi, performed many amazing tricks that made all the children clap and cheer with joy. Some of the highlights of the show included a flower that appeared from an empty hat,
Water that disappeared from the glass.
one umbrella turned into two,
Handkerchief that disappeared and reappeared. The magician also invited some students to join him on stage. Everyone was thrilled to be part of the magical moment. The show ended with a big round of applause and happy smiles on everyone's faces. It was a wonderful experience.
The pre-primary students were given a little taste of shopping on the 19th of July. At this outing, these little ones learned to choose their own objects of desire like sweets, chips, and juices, and witnessed their arithmetic skills being put to practical use with the help of their teachers.
The show and tell competition for classes UKG to 3 was held on the 21st of July with great enthusiasm and active participation. The event aimed to nurture public speaking skills, boost confidence, and encourage self-expression among young learners.
Students came prepared with a variety of interesting objects such as solar panels, books, flowers, piggy banks, and models. Each child was given a few minutes to speak about their chosen item. It was heartening to see the excitement and creativity displayed by the children as they confidently spoke in front of their classmates and teachers.
The competition was judged based on content, confidence, clarity of speech, presentation, and creativity. Teachers were impressed with the originality and effort that went into the preparation. The little ones amazed everyone with their skills and ability to articulate their thoughts clearly.
The event concluded on a cheerful note with words of encouragement from the judges and teachers. Overall, the show and tell competition was a great success and a great learning experience for all those involved. The senior classes 9 to 12 participated in a career counseling session held on 23rd July. This was conducted by Jambori Education.
When choices emerge, it can be a daunting decision for the students to make. Career counseling is crucial for individuals at all stages of their career journey, helping them make informed decisions, navigate transitions, and ultimately achieve career fulfillment. It provides personalized guidance, self-assessment, and a deeper understanding of the job market, leading to more satisfying and successful professional lives.
This session helped put the students' minds at ease and choose a career that would best suit them.
On the 24th and 25th of July, our school hosted the 5th Brother Daniel Delaney Aquatic Inter-School Championship. It was a great honor to have international swimmer Mr. Joseph Kwok addressing the champions of tomorrow.
250 students across 45 schools in Delhi participated in this fierce underwater competition.
The overall winner trophy in the girls category was bagged by Mount St. Mary's School and by Bal Bharati School Pitampura in the boys category.
The winners were those who displayed discipline and dedication to their sport and passed with flying colors.
26th of July 2025 was a day of mixed feelings. The much awaited science exhibition brought young scientists from grade 3 to 12 together to light the spark to innovate scientifically. The theme for this exhibition was Peace for Humanity and Science, and the chief guest was Mr. Saurabh Gupta, a scientist in the Defense Research and Development Organization, Ministry of Defense, and a proud Marian.
Here at MSM, our young scientists made the judges' job very difficult, which is why there were 8 judges for the exhibition. Dr. Pooja Kumar Khetarpal, Dr. Babita Dabra, Dr. Sumit Singh Phukela, Wing Commander Manjeet Singh, Shri Mayank Srivastav, Mrs. Komal Gupta, Dr. Ritu Segal, and Dr. Rashima Verma had the difficult task of critiquing the ideas by our very own Marians.
In addition to the students getting an opportunity to show off their scientific temper, parents had the opportunity to interact and meet their children's teachers in the first parent-teacher meeting of this academic session.
In accordance with the NEP 2020, we at MSM had the privilege of learning Punjabi under the Bharatiya Bhasha scheme. Students enjoyed learning yet another language with a lot of fun activities and songs.
The junior school had an exciting week where they got to showcase their talents. 29th July had the dancers setting the stage on fire, while 31st July had the auditors moving the audience with their beautiful poetry recitation.
On the 2nd of August, Mount St. Mary's campus was abuzz with excitement. From labs to libraries, stages to screens, MSM turned into a celebration of knowledge, creativity, and student spirit. With 13 top schools, 16 dynamic events, and a legacy built on passion and purpose. The 25th edition of Matrix Ecom Synapse was nothing short of legendary.
We were honored to welcome Mr. Manish Jain, Deputy Director, SCERT, as our chief guest, and Ms. Shweta Rao B, IES, as our guest of honor. Their presence, judgment, and words lit up and lifted the event. Some of the events were as follows: UIverse, Code Your Logic;
AV Sync, Lights, Camera, Sync.
Tech Relay, Taskomania in Teams;
Project R, Robots took the spotlight.
Tactics Grammar, Gaming Glory;
Minecraft, Crack the codes, chase the clues.
Textures, Think Fast, Design Faster;
Pitch Please, the business pitch war.
Diorama, Shoot, Edit, Advertise;
Bidding Bankers, bid, invest, win.
Renegade, Debate with Perspective;
Stage play, from stigma to awareness.
Psychon, Psychology Comes Alive;
Carry Clash, sketch the satire.
Wizardry, Wit Was the Wand.
Memology, meme it to win it.
We are indebted to the founding members of the Matrix: Miss Lata Nandkumar, Mr. Gio Matthew, Miss Naisi Sujan, and our founding student president, Pragav Jain, whose legacy continues to inspire every edition. St. Mary's Academy, Meerut, emerged as the overall winners,
Here's to 25 years of Matrix.
and many more to come.
At the same time, our little ones celebrated Friendship Day with their friends. The tiny tots of our school made friendship bands and crowns, and for some of them, it was their first time celebrating friendship. Doesn't that make you go, aww? The 31st Brother Mahoney Inter-School Football Tournament 2025 was officially inaugurated by Reverend Brother George P., Community Leader, Mount St. Mary's School, Delhi Camp. The annual event that has Ronaldo and Messi fans uniting lived up to the excitement and the hype.
We were honored to have Mr. Vinay Sangwan as our chief guest. Sir is an acclaimed kettlebell sport athlete, a world champion, 7 times gold medalist at the World Championships, Indian representative for International Kettlebell Marathon Federation, IKMF, a renowned fitness idol, celebrity coach, and owner of multiple fitness clubs. 16 teams from the senior boys category and 16 teams from the junior boys category fought hard for the most coveted cup. The Sri Ram School, Aravalli, were the ones who went back as the victors. Well done, team!
This month has been a trophy sweeping month where our very own students have come back having won various trophies at various inter-school competitions. Rhythm, organized by Holy Child Auxilium. Our music team got first position, the dance team second position, and movie making brought back the third position.
At St. Xavier's School, Hannah Grace Nithyaraj won the first position in solo singing. The band, consisting of Atharv Saxena, Mridula Sivkumar, Michelle Philip, Kalyani Kashyap, Christy Hoychamkim, and Ridhima Yadav, also bagged the first position. Needless to say, MSM won the overall trophy in the Western music events.
At Carmel Convent School, our choir won the second position in group song, and Hannah Grace Nithyaraj secured the third position in solo singing. And the dance team brought home second position. Slam poetry came third, and at the book discussion we came second. Carmel Convent also conducted the event, Ode to Geoffrey Chaucer, where our talented students secured the second position for best costume and second position overall.
Speaking of acting, the Nukkar Natak team and the students participating in business pitch at Vasant Valley School secured the second position. So many champions. I need a moment to catch my breath.
Let's take a look at the zonals now, shall we?
Zonals, yes! English debate competition. Akshat Ghosh and Zahan Kardumasia, first position in the junior boys. Senior girls, Vanya Bajaj and Shristi Verma, third position. Mono acting, Shivam Kumar Singh, first. Kartavya Kashyap, second. Sharanya Sareen, first.
Poster making, Rohan Sagar, second. Gianna Rennie, first. Best out of waste, Anshika, third. Navya Hora, first.
English poetry recitation, Advait Arnab Dev, first. Riyansh Agrawal, second. English declamation, Alfred Biju, first. Arohi Pal, second.
English extempore, Arav Chaudhary, first. English essay writing, Ashutosh Pandey, first. Sanskrit poetry recitation, Anami Meshram, first. Painting competition, Swarat Rai, third. Essay writing, Hindi, Akshat Jagar, second.
If you think July was exciting, let me remind you, the fun and excitement at MSM never stops.
Look out for the Brother Bergen Music Meet celebrations. Till then, keep learning.
This is Yuvraj Sethi.
And Kashvi Yadav signing off.
Till next time.